Get your disguise.
Get down!
5 minutes later.
How are you gonna skip, dude? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh my god. Bruh.
No. Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Like, at first, I hated Renegade.
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind, yo! I didn't get no sleep because of y'all!